Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Rizal Bibi. I come from SKS. My number option is 14. Today, I want to explain about the Maulid Nabi. The Prophet birthday. Maulid al-Nabi is a Muslim commemoration celebrating the birth of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, on the 12th of Rabiul Awal. The purpose of this celebration is to express love and gratitude for the Prophet Muhammad, remember and emulate his moral and struggles in spreading Islam, and promote faith and piety, as well as strengthen brotherhood among Muslims through various positive activities. Muslims in Indonesia generally celebrate the Prophet birthday with Quranic recitation and prayers, religious takbir, and the sharing of kindness and charity. I think that's for today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.